still about the growth, but now we talk about the growth curve of an insect. And today our insect will be grasshopper, but same as other insect lah. Okay. And again, this is another past year essay. 又是另外一题的 past year essay. I show you the question first. 我们先看问题。Okay. Diagram 6.1 show the growth curve of the grasshopper. Grasshopper 成长的一个 curve， 看起来像楼梯，对不对？ Okay. Explain the growth curve of the grasshopper. 解释一下 the growth curve of the grasshopper. So why the growth curve look like this? 为什么它成长的 curve 看起来是这种情况的呢？ Don't know. Don't know never mind. We follow our notes. 跟着我们的 notes. Page number 30应该是第30面了。Okay. Page number 30第30面。Okay, so start the answer for our past year essay, but this answer will be too long. I'm going to give you another shorter version when we go to exercise. 四句碎碎的 Okay, 来 Number 1. After the fertilization, the female grasshopper laid the egg in a hole. Okay, the egg dig in the damp soil. 挖一个洞把蛋呢产进去了。So the egg crack opens around 10 days. 蛋它孵化了，它裂掉了。The nymphs that appear look like the parents, except that it is wingless. So the nymph or insta1 就是它的幼儿。Okay, the nymph 就是它的蛹啊，它的蛹出来了。Without wings 没有翅膀。This is a insta1 它的幼儿翼啦，第一期的幼儿。Okay, but why we never having the grasshopper like this in our house? Because they are too small, 太小 and normally they are under the grass. And normally you never open any grass and look at the insect inside. 你通常没有把草呢拨开，看看里面的昆虫小小，用望远镜，用放大镜来看。Never, 对不对？ So that's why you never see the nymph of the grasshopper. But for me, I see the nymphs easily everywhere. 哪里都有了，我看过很多次了的了。Okay, next, so highlight.The nymphs that appear look like the parents, but it is wingless. Okay, 它没有翅膀的。So now, copy on your notes, page number 30. The growth curve of the grasshopper, such as the growth curve of the insects, such as grasshopper and cockroach, is not sigmoid shape. They are not sigmoid shape. 它的形状不是 S.Cockroach, for example, cockroach. In my house, we're having 3 types of cockroach. 在我家有3种蟑螂。One is a normal kitchen cockroach. 你不用养，它自己来的。Another 2, 3. In my house, we're having another 3. 我们还有3种。One of them is called Madagascar cockroach. 大只的蟑螂。Okay, another one will be called Rubia. 另外一种叫 Rubia. 另外一种叫红色的，我也不知道它叫什么名字了。那种是我自己养的啦。孩子养的，给他生孩子，生到很多很美的。So the growth of the insect like grasshopper and cockroach is not sigmoid shape. 它不是 sigmoid 的形状。But how is the shape? If the shape is not sigmoid, how we can call the shape like this? And we don't call data shapes. 是楼梯的形状不叫。So copy on your notes. The shape will be called a series of steps. 一个系列的 step 1, step 2, step 3, 一步一步好像楼梯走上去。So this is a shape, a series of step shape 啦，它的形状。Okay, so 这个字可能就值1分了的，明白吗？ So how is the growth process of the grasshopper or insects? 昆虫的长大过程到底是怎样的呢？ Okay, our example, grasshopper. So the growth of the insects and the human is not the same. Okay, for our human, we can grow like as smooth. Our curve is just smooth, only look like as 滑滑的。Okay, why? Because our body actually say soft. We're having the soft tissue. 我们的底数呢都是软软的， so we can grow slowly, one by one, day by day, 0.001 mm slowly, day by day, until we become adult, 对不对？ But the growth of the insect is limited. 它们不可能像我们这样子成长 ，due to the presence of the hard exoskeletons， 因为它的外壳的关系，硬的关系，它不能好像我们这样子慢慢的成长。So how they grow? They can grow suddenly， 它要长就长得很快，一次。Okay, so how they grow? Copy on your notes 啊，自己抄在你的 notes。Okay， 来慢慢听完故事才抄。 So in order to increase their size, insects have to first shed their existing exoskeletons. 如果要成长，它的外皮呢，这一层硬壳呢，一定要丢掉先，老的、小的。And replace it with a newer one that is bigger than the existing ones. 然后呢，换成另外一 set 新的、更大件的衣服了。So 小外壳丢掉。变成更大的外壳，然后它才能变成大只的。So in order to changing the exoskeleton, the process is called adexis. Adexis 这个过程呢就叫越皮，换皮的意思啦，越皮。OK， 它必须把它的外皮呢丢掉，然后换一层新的、更大的一层，它才能长大。所以一夜之间长大啦。OK， 就是这个意思。Next， and how is the process？ 那过程怎样发生的呢？ Okay, 情况怎样呢 ？So before the adexis process, the insects normally hide somewhere. 它躲在某一个地方 ，breathe in a lot of air. 它吸进了很多的空气。They know 了，它自己知道它要换皮了。To expand its body, 给它身体膨胀 ，which causes the old skeleton to be break， 造成它的外壳裂掉。So it expands its body immediately by sucking in more air before the new skeleton hardens. So 一直吸进很多的空气，给它的外皮裂掉、破掉。So when the old exoskeleton break, okay, the new exoskeleton will be produced, will become out. 它新的一层就再出来了。So they continue suck in a lot of air. 它又再一次吸进很多的空气，的空气 to make the body expand， 给它的新外壳呢膨胀，给它自己变成大只。Otherwise, after a few hours， 几个小时过 ，the skeleton going to become hardened， 因为氧化它变硬了，它就不能再长大了。所以给它一个空间，不要去吵它。它在里面呢。一直变大。But how to write the answer in exam? Look like very long, 对不对 ？Don't worry, I'm going to give you the sentence that's shorter 啦。Okay, so this is what we call adexis. 老的脱掉，新的跑出来。不要一直呼吸，吸进很多空气，给它新的一层呢膨胀 ，so become bigger. So 这种叫 adexis 脱壳了，叶皮。Okay, next. So now from the eggs, it hatch become instar one， 变成幼儿翼。Okay, when the instar one get the nutrients, so it become big enough， 足够的养分充足了，整只硬邦邦了，对不对 ？So one day you having the process called adexis, and now the body suddenly grow， 突然间 become instar two， 形状一变就变成更大只的 instar two。And after another few days, normally day 算几天，要不然就算星期。They continue the adexis process and become an instar three。And adexis again become instar 4 and finally become adult 啦。But once they become adult， 差不多了，它赶快要交配，然后它赶快要死去。So 昆虫，当你看到它飞来飞去的时候 ，they are adult， 它就是那个大人，也就是说它不久了，明白吗 ？So it can be 10 years underground， 它可能在泥土里面呢10年、20年。Instar, and one day when it suddenly become adult and become flying insect, and this is the last 2 months or maybe the last month of the insect， 好可怜的一种动物来的，它一出来它就完了，明白吗？它没有出来在地底下可能10多年。Okay, so this is what we call the growth curve of the insect. So the process is repeated periodically until the insect achieve the maximum size. 这样子咯。Okay, so the growth curve of the insect is unique， 很特别的 ，in the sense that it's a series of steps. Okay， 它是一个步骤来的。Why? And the step represent the period in between the adexis。那个 steps， 每个 step 之间就是脱皮的意思了。Okay, so these are the basic for you to write the sentence format in your exam. But how is a short answer? 这样长的答案写到来才拿到4分，都写得很辛苦了，对不对 ？But don't worry, I'm going to give you a short answer， 比较短的答案给你。Okay, so this is the adexis or the growth curve of the insects. Okay， 昆虫它长大的那个 curve， 它的形状，它的方式。Set， 拜拜。